Hello guys, today we want to do mensuration. So what is mensuration? Mensuration is the calculation of perimeters, areas and volumes. So change calculate a perimeter, the area and volume of shapes. So what is the perimeter? The perimeter of a plane shape is the distance around that shape, and it distance around the shape. It's perimeter. Then what is area? Area is a measure of the space enclosed by the perimeter quoted in squares of the unit involved. And so guys, so good. For example, we want to dealing with square, and so banapa side. So perimeter is distance around the shape. So take out side plus side plus side plus side. And but area think she measures space enclosed by the perimeter ish. Do area think it swag. Saganiswa kuma square. And in square units. For example, centimeter squared, kilometer squared. Then volume tunaweza kumji ku cube. And it was yagatese. So ndochi mensuration. Right, triple mensuration pap. Tinea to plane shapes. This okay. Tinea at notice so my plane shapes. So my plane shapes do my plane shapes. My plane shapes tine triangle, tine square, tine rectangle, parallelogram, trapezium, rhombus, kite, circle, sector. This is segment inenge combined by the sector entity. So ndo anonzi my plane shapes. So my plane shapes ndo anotsvagwa area ne perimeter. So my plane shapes tinenge tichitsvaga isusu area ne perimeter. Then totanonzi ma solid shapes. Ma solid shapes tinenge tidila nechi surface area volume. Ndo zvatinge chidhila nazvo izvo. So tawirirana kuti perimeter, area chi, volume chi, andirika. So ma solid shapes ndo vana cube, cuboid, sphere, cone, cylinder, pyramid. Ndizoka nima formulas acho. So before you start, you should know my formulas of those shapes. Alright, this is introduction to mensuration. Alright, now tinema questions at now. Number 1 essay, then number 3, 4, number 2, 3, and it. So now we are going to work it and to show you how to apply my formulas and it in mensuration. Right, for example, number 1. Number 1 you have a sector shape. This is sector shape. This is a sector shape. Saka sector shape tikatarisa isusu pari kunzi ipo take pi to be 22/700. In the diagram, OAPB is a sector of a circle center O. In the radius 28 millimeters, AB 43. Saka yo waziva kuti I radius. So this is center. So line rikubva pa center chinobata circumference. I axis I radius. Then same applies with this one. Saka inenge chigadzira inonzi isosceles triangle. tunzwanana. Saka side iri neside zvakafanana, saka panapa nepane 28 handizvo ka? Kana pane vandinzwa iyi center ishi, saka maline ese ari kubva pacenter achinobata circumference kuno. Iyi circumference kai, but inenge iri same circle, inenge iri radius. Panapa kubva apa futi yachi ya radius, saka yagadzira chi inonzi isosceles triangle handiti. So question ndobva yati calculate the angle AOB handiti. So this is combination of mensuration and solving triangle. Ndizvo, sometimes they combine mensuration and solving triangle, trigonometric handiti. So like papa parikunzi the angle AOB, so we use this is angle AOB, but this is angle AOB handiti. So shape yedu OAB, we have 3 sides. How to find the angle? We use cosine rule handiti. We use cosine rule. Ye inotaura kuti tine 3 masides kana muchiri kuremember mashuro handiti. I think you know it, and so let me work it. Right, so part A and the angle AOB, angle AOB. So otherwise draw your diagram. This one, this is your diagram handiti. So O, A and B. So panapa it's 43, panapa 28, panapa 28 ndizvo. Right, now I got this one theta, angle theta. So how to find this angle? So now we have 3 sides on the shape OAB handiti. So we use cosine rule handiti. So first ngatine mema opposite sides. Uyu ndiye A mdiki, uyu ndiye B, uyu ndiye O mdiki. So panapa tiri kuti cos O is equal to A squared plus B squared minus yawati O iri small letter over 2 times or plus sum of this handiti A B. So now we are going to substitute. A is 28 squared plus 28 squared minus 43 squared, both ndiye O over 2 times 28 times 28 ndizo. Right, so triple up 28 squared plus 28 squared minus 43 squared tinowana negative 281 over tika multiply apa tinowana 1568 ndizvo. Sa cos O. So how to find the angle O? Panapa tinta kuti arc cos handiti. So angle O is equal to arc cos negative 281 over 1568 handiti. So pa calculator kana utsvaga arc cos unongwa kuti second function obaya chi arc cos inofana kubudisa ka negative power ndi. Saka O angle yedu ichi 100 degrees. Saka panapa therefore AOB is equal to 100 degrees. This one is equal to 100 degrees. Right, part B, the area. Calculate the area of a sector. Item 1, sector OAPB. Sector OAPB anditika. So B item 1, area of a sector. Area of a sector chi formula yacho inoti iyo theta over 360 times pi r squared anditika. So theta, remember tawana theta pamusora. Theta wedu ndiani? Ndi 100 over 360 times, remember pi chanzi ndi 22 over 7. So 22 over 7 ndizo. Then times r is ndiani? 28 squared. Ndizoka. So tika simplify apa ne calculator zvese tinoona 684 mm squared. Sakanga yamwe ma units ai. Nisa squared area nisa squared. Then item 2, triangle AOB, area of a triangle AOB is equal to half AB sin theta. Why tukushandisa inenge ine sin theta? Because ine angle. This is our shape. This is A, B, O. Then panapa 28. Then panapa it's and 100. Panapa 43. So tinoshandisa ma sides ari kunogadzira angle. Ndiwatoshandisa. Ndizo. Saka A wedu ndiana 28 na B wedu 28. Then sin 100. Ndizo. So panapa tika multiply zvese tikuwana so 386 mm squared. Handitika. Then area of a segment, formula of area of a segment APB, area of a segment. This is segment, so like this. Segment is shape inogadzirwa inenge chidivided ne chord. Tukunzana shape yese inonzi segment inenge chikatwa ne chord. And so area of a segment, not area of a sector. Area of a sector minus area of a triangle. Area of a triangle. Alright, area of a sector ndian is 684 minus area of a triangle is 386. Ndisoka. So tika minus apanapa tikuwana 298 mm squared. So thank you. Alright, so let's move on to number 2. Alright, number 2, your shape ABCD is a trapezium where AD is parallel to BC and ABC is equal to 90. Then ADX plus 4, ABX minus 4, BC 4x minus 1 centimeter is illustrated in figure 2. Do shape yacho. This is trapezium. And it. So part A, write down in terms of x an expression of the area. Right. Alright, this is trapezium and it. This is trapezium. This one number 2. This is trapezium. So area of a trapezium your half A plus B times height. This okay. So your question yako iri kuti write down in terms of x an expression of the area. Ndizo ngonzi write down sa kungonodzimikira chete. Right, takuzoti A na B is sum of two parallel lines. Ndizoka. This is parallel lines. Trapezium ine ma parallel lines. Anditika. So A plus B is sum of two parallel lines. Andit. So pa diagram pedu A indian. Pa diagram pedu A ush side ridiki and x plus 4. So pana out x plus 4. Then plus B indian pana. The 4x minus 1. 4x minus 1 anditika. Then you vara. Then height with up and down. The x minus 4. Those who go down, write down jet, write down. So that will be. Then in doji part A. Then part B. Part B good Given that the area of the trapezium is 20 centimeters squared, form an equation in terms of x and show that it reduces to 5x squared minus 17x minus 52 is equal to 0. Wapiwa wewe area yako kunzi ndiani ndi 20 ndobva wanziwo chishowa anditi chishowa kusvika panani 5x squared minus 17x minus 52. So how tinoshowa say how to show this? Tinoshandisa expression pamusoro apa to equate nani ne area, because since kudhara wapiwa area yako kudhara kunzwanana ka, so ndonye inenge iripa right. Saka pana part b yedu tikuti source area is equal to half panapa ndiani x plus 4 tungotora chataita pamusoro plus 4x minus 1 farot x minus 4 ndo aitike right. Saka area tagara takapiwa kudhara ndi 20 is equal to half panapa gati simplify x plus 4x it's 5x ndizoka it's 5x and it. So panapa 4 minus 1 is plus 3, then x minus 4 ndo 8. This was cross multiply both sides na 2 to clear fraction. Multiply by 2, so we get 40. 2 times 20 it's 40 is equal to panapa pasina clear to clear. So panapa change out 5x plus 3, then panapa x minus 4, so multiply okay. So out 40 is equal to taku expand to chance expansion 5x ush ano multiply, so this is in bracket x minus 4, then plus 3 ush ano multiply futi bracket raise and ufunga to ziachi expansion, then 40 is equal to 5x times x, we remove bracket 5x squared, panapa we get 20x ndizoka, then plus 3x minus 12. So panapa 40 is equal to 5x squared minus 20x plus 3x minus 17x ndizoka minus 17x, then minus 12. Right, panapa takuti source 5x squared minus 17x minus 12, then ichakaenda uku chinosvika chitachi minus 40 is equal to 0. And then takuti source 5x squared minus 17x minus 12 minus 40 tiwana minus minus 52 is equal to 0 of watoti shown. Yes, inenge yanzi show unonyora kuti shown kuno ndo mashowera tinoita. Saka first thing kuziva formula of the shape ndizo ndo chinje kutanga, then also apply ako zvimwe. Then part C, solve the equation and hence find the length of AB. So chekutanga tangota kuti equation yako ine ma factors here. Kana isina ma factors like this, we are going to use quadratic formula and to find the factors, to find the values of x. So tinoshandisa quadratic formula. So panapa na part C, to solve equation yedu 5x squared then minus 17x minus 52 is equal to 0. So here ina ma factors ke ndizoka. So tishandisa formula yekuti x is equal to negative b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac over 2a ndizoka. So where a ndiani, a ndiye uyu, b ndiye uyu, c ndiye uyu, tunzwanana. Saka panapa x is equal to negative open bracket b ndiani minus 17 plus or minus square root b ndiani minus 17 squared minus 4 a ndiani ndi 5, then b ndiani c ndiani minus 52 over 2a ndiani ndi 5 ndizoka. So panapa takuti x is equal to minus na minus we get positive, so inenge ya 17 plus or minus square root 17 squared minus 17 squared 2a term 9 plus minus 4 times 5 times minus na minus noveta positive ndizoka. 4 times 5 times 52 tinowana 1010 400 ka toyatuwana over 2 times 5 is 10, saka x is equal to 17 plus or minus square root apa pateka plus up to 1329 over 10. Sa plus or minus ukure what chimwe china minus chimwe china plus, saka x is equal to 17 taku separate square root 1329 over 10 or 17 minus square root 1329 over 10 ndizoka. Saka takuti x is equal to chekutanga tinoti 17 plus root 1329 oburitsanza then also divide na 10 tinowana chi 5,35 then oro kuno 17 minus root 1329 wana answer yako then divide na 10 sazvite ka 1 net half half. So this is our values of x. Then ndopa zvanzi hence meaning to continue hence find the length of AB. So length of AB, hence length of AB pa diagram redu ndiani panapa ndi AB is equal to x minus 4 anditika. Saka panapa tinotora positive value pa two ma values bosa tikatora negative value inoburitsa negative sign apana side inonzi negative 2 cm. That's why tiku rejecta negative 1,95 negative value anditika. So let's take x positive value 5,35 minus 4 ndizo right. Saka panapa takuti isusu taka minus panapa tikuwana isusu 1,35 cm. Saka ngangoma units, saka AB wedu ndiani, therefore AB ndi 1,35 cm chete ndizoka. Right, tine question yekupedzesera, the last question iri kuti iyo a solid cone has base radius of 7 cm and a perpendicular height of 24 cm. Find the slender height B volume of the cone. Then chakapiwa formula ya volume anditika. Sachikutanga, first thing you should know the shape of the cone anditika. Right. Number 3, shape ya cone ishirape. Wow. This is the shape of cone anditika. This is the shape of cone, then this is height, then this is radius. Saka height yatauro kutara. A solid cone is base of is radius of 7 cm. Saka radius is half of diameter. Tukunzwanani. Radius line rinobva pasenda chinobata circumference. Saka ndo radius yedu ndori kunzi iri 7 panapa. Saka panapa kugadzira 90 degrees. Height ne radius pazikusangana zvokugadzira 90 degrees perpendicular line. And tanitoziva kuti perpendicular line ndo iri rinenge chigadzira 90 degrees anditi. So ndo pazvanzi and a perpendicular height of 24 centimeters 24 sakubva apa kusvika apa ndo 24 dzacho. Handitika sa part A iri kutsvaga cylinder height. Iyi ndiyo anonzi macylinder height. Macylinder height. Saka shape iri uku yakangofanana ne this one. Saka toshandisa iyo. Sa shape yedu yamira yakadai. Ndizvo ka. Ndomamira ita shape yedu. Saka uyu ndi 7 apa 90 uyu ndi 24. Saka panapa tinoshandisa Pythagoras theorem. Handitika. So long as side tino plus ama sides. Tino ma square to plus. Pythagoras theorem handiti. Ndiyatu kushandisa. Saka panapa ndi L. So panata kuti L squared is equal to 24 squared plus 7 squared. L squared is equal to 24 squared or 24 squared plus 7 squared ndiani 625. Ndizvo. Then panapa tada kubvisa square uyu. Tinoisa cube, tinoita square root both sides. Saka L is equal to square root 629. Saka L ndiani tikati square root 625 is 25 centimeter. Sasirire ma units this one. Andika so ndo part A ichi. Unoshandisa chi solving triangle. Right. Saka panapa volume yedu ndiani takapiwa kuti aranzi volume of the cone 1/3 pi r squared h. 1/3 pi r squared h. Handitika. So panapa takuti 1/3 times pi times tishansani. Hanzi take pi to be 22/7. Saka panapa times r squared. R ndiani radius 7. Saka 7 squared times height ndi 24. Saka panapa tika simplify tikuwana 1232 centimeter cube was the volume. So thank you so much. My number is 0779795012 or 0717493993. Thank you. Right. Thank you very much. So this is your work. Thank you.